I have a Marvel Professional Wine Refrigerator Model MP15 WSG3RS. The door ajar alarm keeps going off every 60 seconds no matter what I do. Is there anything I can do, or is this only something a service technician can repair?
How old is your Marvel wine refrigerator?
About 3 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Marvel wine refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
It would intermittently do it for about the last 2 months, but eventually would reset. Now for the last 36 hours, it does it constantly. I have tried wiping down the seal of the door, pushing on the door a little, but nothing works.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, that is it.
Hi, my name is. I will be happy to help you with your question.
Hi, Jim.
Honestly, you have done about everything that I would recommend doing. I would recommend getting a service technician to come out. It could be a fault in the control panel.
Got it. I will make a call to get someone out.
Sounds good.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.